Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the days of your life. I am back with another beautiful ideas about the arrangements of flower in the form of wreaths designs, leaves or fantastic ideas used for decoration for laying on a grave. I hope this video and this collection is very useful for you. If we discuss about the wreaths designs in this collection, you see the beautiful rustic ideas and use the flowers designs, fruits designs, and most of the time we use designs in different way, and all collection related to the most aesthetic ideas. Flowers wreaths designs, fresh flowers wreaths designs, rustic farmhouse wreaths designs, door wreaths designs, rustic wreaths ideas, and without door decoration your home is so incomplete. So I collect a beautiful ideas about the wreaths designs. It's a form of traditions and growth strength entire life, as well as increase the happiness and joy and love. If we discuss about the concepts of wreaths, the arrangements of flowers and the leaves in a circular shape used as a decoration or as a sign of respect and remembrance of the person who has different designs. Front door decoration ideas with wreaths designs, rustic farmhouse door wreaths ideas. Explore a different designs and see more ideas about the wreaths designs. Spring wreaths designs, creative wreaths designs, home decor designs, farmhouse wreaths designs, door wreaths designs, spring wreaths designs, wreaths collection, dye wreaths design, summer wreaths designs. And I hope this video and this collection is very informative for you. Flowers look so attractive, look so amazing, and I hope this video and this collection is very useful for you. Lovely summer wreaths designs and stunning wreaths spring wreaths collection for my viewers. Check out the beautiful seasonal decorating ideas, spring wreaths designs to welcome the season, enjoy the season, floral arrangements ideas for the front door elevation designs. I hope this video and this collection is very attractive and very useful for you. Give your suggestions, give your remarks in comment box, guys, and I hope this video and this collection gain your attention. In this collection you see 100 plus stunning summer wreaths for your front door. Summer is the perfect time to refresh your front door with a beautiful wreaths that celebrate the season with the different colors and lush greens designs. So thank you so much, guys, to watch my videos and to like my videos, sharing my videos with your close friends and relatives. Is a spring crafts designs related to the spring wreaths collection. Enjoy the days, take care, and bye bye.